What's up, guys? aka Crazy Russian. Continue to fixing this LH100 manufactured by Lenz throttle. It's discontinued, but I'm really surprised. Now I remember, guys, in the previous video I said I was doing something to it. I at least once. So what's happened? And we just pretty much I'll try my best to finish it right now. So what's happened? If you see those two wires, okay, 1, 2, it's holding element. Looks like piezo to me. So it was touching display, I think, and also it was what's the name, the plastic from glue gun somehow, I think. What's happened? So display pushed those two contacts because it was glue completely, really like snap it, and tiny little bit pins for soldering to the board usually just snap. What I did, I use X-Acto knife. Yeah, that was like, man, 5 years ago or something. Yeah, this is from 2004. Yeah, that's what I and the firmware version 3, right? Nothing's wrong, the guy's happy, never asked for like any update. So, and it's manufactured beginning of the 5, and I think I sold him like mid of 2005. So again, it's 14, almost 15 years old. Will be 15 years old. So, and then I kind of scrub around those tiny little pins, okay, whatever left over was just, and use this is double-sided tape, the nice one, when it's still sticky. See, it's sticky at least 5 years, guys, seriously. And then I soldered to those, so nothing happened. So he pushed display again, probably, and I don't think so. At this point I just put it back, kind of stick. Now I have no choice, I have to glue it with a glue gun. Yes, I can use, there's some synthetic glue and stuff. No, I'm just using this glue gun, hobby type, made in Taiwan. Nobody's making Taiwan anything. It's like 2001 I got it for kids project or whatever, and it's that black cartridge on white. It's much better than anything else. So it's still, it's not really flexible, but it's gluing 10 times better, and yeah, I should say it's a little bit more flexible. Alright, so let's get it. Okay, Roman, what's up? No problem. Sure. Можешь прийти, здесь демократия американская. The Russian channel, the live one, will be probably in English too, because means there is no. Я не думаю, что там народ вообще интересуется. It's okay, no problem. So clean all these pads stuff. I think a little bit need. Just I washed it. Then with rubbing alcohol, I'll clean one more time. Hold on. So guys, sometimes I have Russian viewers coming. Of course, I'll comment it in Russian, no problem. So don't be scared. Yeah, this is kind of falling apart, but at the time everything means the electronics should be good, but again, it's just not a chance They old. These guys really old. Yeah. But I'm telling you, the guy using it like no tomorrow. See, this is all gone. The top one touch speed. He's not entering a lot, but he's running like seriously. This is almost faded. See? Not changing direction much though. Just running probably like in a circle or something. I don't know. So, problem number one. This is all good to me. Hold on a second. And I don't want to push much. It's some probably just residue from the fingers, you know, when sweating and age, and yeah, I'm surprised it's still really working. So I need to be very careful right now. I have 4 screws here. I washed this to kind of clean. Be careful with the plastic, especially this plastic. It's polymerized anyway, so the alcohol is not doing anything. But some plastics, be careful. My new cheap stuff. This is definitely made in Germany, no questions. So this is also kind of neutral too. So I just wiped it, because in the basement you don't know what you're getting. Some small bugs can crawl and make a nest or whatever. My problem right now, it was from the beginning. 2 of those marks in the black. Okay, those 2. My guidance right now, because it was pin. There were like pins like that, but of course everything. I found one here and one probably gone by now. So I need to kind of match it so display will be okay, parallel to this, and glue it. Yeah, maybe do it in another part, finishing everything. So right now, thinking if I install pads, okay, before I'm gluing, actually I want to test it just in case, okay? And I put a little bit of on that small window thing. There is a plastic piece. I put microcrystal clear, you know, my favorite. My favorite thing, and yeah, that's what's happened before. So it's kind of snap those two wires here. All right, so we're good. Let's just put it back and put screws back. Okay. It looks like, oh, something not in place. Is it? Yes, it's good now. Okay. Oh yeah, you're not holding. You need to hold it like that. Just be careful with display. Then you push this. Okay, now because this guy sticks out. Okay. Hey Sweden, what's up? LGRFBS, man, I doing my best. I'm not asking you to change the name, but it's is this something stands for, if you please? And what time is it right now? Probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 8 p.m. in your region, man. Screwdriver. Here we go. Yeah, I don't want to put it like tight it, just a little bit, just touch up. Okay, see, it's still free. Make sure everything, what should I say? Yeah, you just not getting crazy on those screws. Everything's cool. We'll test it real quick, and then maybe something happened. I still have 2 old ones, one for my like test unit. BBS. I was a SysOp. Man, my English is not great. What's the SysOp? Is, if I'm pronouncing it correct? See, I will probably translate it, but as you can see, make description BBS, something with broadcasting, not BBC, but like BBS. Ah, interesting. No clue, man. Correct spelling on my name. Yes, BBS name. BBS broadcast. Sam, I'm trying to guess. So is this radio station, like private radio station or whatever, you in Sweden starting with L? I think US is W, or maybe I'm completely wrong. Okay, so we're in a good shape. Again, I didn't type those guys. Display, good. Use like nice paper towel, guys, please. Some cheap junk will leave you a lot of residue garbage, you know. Okay, is this a good idea? Yeah, I think I can just hold it like that. All right, moment of truth. Я не знаю, он не американец, он швед, во-первых. Я тоже что-то не очень понял, что он там, базар-вокзал. Базар-вокзал. Okay. Okay, it hooked right now to the black box. Old, yeah, works. If I can position display properly, I will be in like perfect shape. Let's see if it's good. I want to touch those wires. Functions, yeah, definitely need to move a little bit down here. Okay, so almost close to those wires, which is gives me like headache a long time ago. Let's see. Yeah, should be good. Bingo. О, это было до интернета. Он пишет, it's called built something. Oh man, I cannot see it. Hold on, 1 sec. Built-in board system before the internet. Wow. No, this is like customer. Это моего customer. No, I didn't. Я не сломал свой. Все нормально с моим. Okay, cool. I know what to do. We'll do it nice. Okay, so I can tie it right now. Whoop, whoop. Again, guys, don't overdo. Before the internet, my goodness. What year, my man? Yeah. Это его логин. Wow. That's crazy. I didn't even hear about it, man. What year that stuff? Like in the 70s, I guess. 80s? No, I think the internet beginning of 90s means like publicly. In those colleges in US, I think beginning of the 90s, right? Wow, 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 wow. Okay, I know what to do. Do it right now. So I stick a little bit stuff around this area, something like that. Come on. Oh, too much. Like that. Okay. I'm not really good on this, so not using it every day. Need a weight. Yes, definitely weight. That's good. Okay. Problem. This plastic is very I just touch it a little bit and it's already just messed me up. So let's stick it to the board. How they did it? Oh, they probably didn't. That's why they didn't touch anything. Yeah, makes sense. They didn't touch the plastic with that. I touch it with that metal thing. Looks good to me. $96.99. Huh. Wow, that's still cool. Alright, let me check one thing real quick. Make sure everything, it's a little bit on the side. Stop. No, it's just perfect. It's just great. See? Роман, мы нет, ScaleTrains нас дампанули, мы можем покупать для себя, между нами только, окей? LEKM2. Мы для себя, ну если робу нужно с нашим людям хорошим, друзьям, там, я не знаю, навар, я к тому, что можно заказать тебе, конечно, но скидка какая-то там минимальная, понимаешь, так что, ну будет какая-то скидка, если ты уж прям где-то не сможешь достать, конечно, мы тебе поможем. Okay, also guys, I wanna do this, some residue from old stuff, man. Facebook мне напиши, мы там перетрем на недельке, ладно? Если не горит, конечно. You know, guys, I'm going to do, what else? I'm just going to make like a little bit here. Maybe like that. Just don't touch it. Yeah, good. Good, 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 good. Good. If that stuff sticks around, not big deal, it's no bother. Like that here too. Yep, just don't need a touch. Это мудозвоны, тем более у нас магазина теперь нету физического, так что мы очень балдеем. Но у нас есть концы, нет проблем. Yeah, now you can guys just remove that stuff. Yeah, when it's not hot, kind of warm, okay? oh, that will do it. Perfect. Oh, still warm. There we go. Still warm. It's like a spider net. Yeah, just need to wait. Okay, that's it. Done. Looks good. Yeah, the guy will be happy. No questions. Also, he barely can see it because it's kind of in the angle I showed you in the previous part. It's like an angle this, so he probably need a, you know, like bent it, you know, to check it. Means what locomotive selected. Yeah, it's done. No questions. All right, pack it up. Also, that is always kind of unusual. Those pins, they make no sense, literally. They just like, yeah. 4 screws. Again, it's old torque. And I think they did also kind of weird 3, I don't know why. It's older models, I'm telling you again, the older models from probably 2000 and you don't need any additional, you know, it will be fine. Just don't want to mess with the beginning of the thread. Yeah, that should do it. 4 screws. Because it's simple. It's long enough to take care about 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. Ta-da-da! Like brand new. My is this. Yeah, this is also. Ooh, the firmware probably newer, definitely. But look, mine is like definitely newer looking. And again, this is mine connects to. Why display is kind of okay. Yeah, mine connects to black box lens. It was a kind of joint venture. It's not really a lens. It's just like black box programmer, sort of under lens. Yeah, perfect. Good deal. Is I put star? Yeah, display. Correct. Very nice. Good job, Alex. Very, very nice. Why it's I see. Okay. See? Lens. Hold on. One sec. My should be with Philips. Yeah, Philips. That means new. Still says made in Germany. It's okay. We'll put. See, even color. My like really white. The camera is not really showing, but this is kind of, you know, under ultra. This and that almost the same color, and this is totally white. You know, ultraviolet usually messing up with the colors, and this is new. Interesting. Hold on. if I hook it up to the programmer, that black box programmer, because I think it was designed with firmware a million years ago. Yeah, is that gonna do anything? Yeah, it's not. It just shows me, oops, it just shows me version, so it's definitely not going to work. The older black programmer not going to work with that newer lens. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching, supporting channel. Bulletin board system. Bulletin. Ah, misspell. I see. BBS. Bulletin board system. I'll look. All right. LGF, LGR, FBS. All right, my man. Thanks. I'll see you soon. Try to come. I try to broadcast tonight from a pencil layout I'm going right now. All right. See ya.